vivid and focused feature. You cannot fix what you cannot see, and your business is no exception. Too often, founders operate on instinct, hoping revenue will cover unseen leaks and hidden costs. A profit clarity session changes that. It gives you a clear view of your finances, uncovers hidden drains, and delivers a simplified roadmap to profitability. The truth can be uncomfortable, and it often triggers resistance, but it's exactly what you need to gain focus, take control, and start claiming the profits your vision deserves.